On Saturday, March 29, 2025, a remarkable celestial event will grace the skies over North America, a partial solar eclipse at sunrise. This phenomenon occurs when the moon partially obscures the sun, creating a captivating visual display. For residents of the northeastern United States and eastern Canada, this will be the first solar eclipse visible since April 2024. During this partial eclipse, approximately 93% of the sun's disk will be covered by the moon. Observers in regions such as northern Quebec will experience the deepest coverage. However, the eclipse will coincide with sunrise, making it essential to have an unobstructed view of the eastern horizon. The eclipse will span about 2 hours between 4:50 a.m. and 8:43 a.m. Eastern Time ET. Specific viewing times vary by location. Northeastern United States cities like New York and Boston will witness the eclipse at sunrise around 6:45 a.m. ET. Eastern Canada and areas such as New Brunswick and Newfoundland, the eclipse will be visible shortly after sunrise, with peak coverage occurring between 6:56 and 8:20 a.m. ET. To fully appreciate the eclipse, position yourself in areas with clear eastern views. Ideal spots include elevated terrains or coastal regions free from obstructions like buildings or trees. In the U.S., locations along the Maine, New Brunswick border offer prime viewing opportunities. Viewing a solar eclipse requires proper eye protection. Standard sunglasses are insufficient. Use ISO 2322 compliant solar eclipse glasses, available at retailers such as Warby Parker, Walmart, and Staples. Ensure the glasses are certified to prevent eye damage. Weather conditions can impact visibility. For instance, in Greenville, South Carolina, the forecast for March 29 predicts considerable cloudiness, which may hinder eclipse viewing. It's advisable to check local forecasts closer to the event and consider traveling to areas with clear skies if feasible. If eclipse glasses are unavailable, indirect viewing methods like pinhole projectors can be used. These devices allow you to safely observe the eclipse by projecting the sun's image onto a flat surface. Following this event, the next notable solar eclipse visible in the U.S. will occur in 2026. Such celestial events offer unique opportunities to connect with the cosmos and deepen our understanding of the universe. Prepare accordingly to safely enjoy this rare and awe-inspiring sunrise solar eclipse. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.